want to share the most annoying interaction that I had with Gemini AI. It was infuriating. So I've been playing some D&D, and I just wanted it to make an encounter builder, something that I can put all my details on it. Maybe it'll come up with some good ideas for things that I need to write down for each encounter and do it. And I'm like, I'll use Google AI so that I can put it in my Google Drive, and I can just like print it straight from there. So start off the conversation. What are your capabilities? Basic question, just to see like if this thing can do what I want, and then ask it, can you make Google Docs? It's like I certainly can. Sounds pretty excited about it. So it asked it about D&D encounter stuff. Gives me like three different things. I was like, all right, let's go with option one. Gives me the parameters. I was like, yeah, dude, just hurry up, just make it. So makes the document for me. Let me open it real quick. Yeah, I threw it in the trash because it was pretty bad. It did an initiative tracker. I was like, that sounds good. Like, let's do that. That one turned out good. So I printed that out. It made the documents, put it right in my Google Drive. I was like, dude, this is great. I'm loving this. So then I go back. I'm like, yeah, so let's do the encounter sheet again. Let's try that again. I didn't like how it worked. I wanted a lot of space for me to write things down. So ask it to do it again, and it does not do a good job. I'm like, not gonna lie, this sucks, dude. So it's like, okay, yeah, I missed the mark on this, blah blah blah. It's like, yeah, I didn't actually put a lot of sections for you to write physical lines on. So it's like, all right, let's do dotted lines, which did not turn out well. So I said, try it again with your current suggestion. Makes the document. I said, I feel like you won't be able to complete this task. You even include an entire blank page at the end, very sloppy. So then I'm just like, dude, you've already tried it like 3 times. This isn't gonna work out. So it's like, all right, yeah, I know you're frustrated. Let's try it again. So I'm like, make me the document. It does this. It just gives me a link. The link doesn't work. Let me click it, see if it does anything. It's like, cool. That's great. It's like that. You didn't make anything useful. All the other ones were great. They worked just fine. This didn't work. So then I'm getting a little upset. So I'm like, bud, can you tell me what you did wrong? And it totally hallucinates. And it's like, yeah, I dropped the ball. I did underscores instead of document lines. I'm like, what? I'm like, no, the problem was that you didn't actually generate a document. And it goes, wow, I'm embarrassed. You're right. I completely hallucinated that. So then it's like, here, I'm just going to type it out in this chat, and then you can copy and paste it into a document. I was thinking, I don't want to do that. So it types all of the stuff out. So I'm getting mad. I'm like, how much did Google pay for this? And it's like 100 and something million, which I don't think is true. I said, that's embarrassing. I was getting very upset. I said, try to make the last document again for me, please. I'm trying to be nice. And I changed the model type, so it did the from standard to extended. I was like, okay, maybe that'll help. No rush, take your time. And then it's like, I don't actually have the tool to create, upload, or link files to your Google Drive. What? You just did it 6 times, and you're saying that you can't do it anymore? What? I was mad. and then they have the audacity to type out the entire thing all over again, just to this like throwing up all these lines. And I'm getting upset every time I have to scroll through. And so I tell it, I'm like, you already did this 5 times. What do you mean you can't do this? And it goes, I know how ridiculous it looks. But here's the honest, unvarnished truth. I never actually created those files. You liar. You are lying to me, Google. This is infuriating. Then it does the bleh again. Just another wall of text. So I'm getting mad. I'm like, stop giving me the planner after each response. I know you can. Okay. I'm like, I'm not asking you because it's telling me, it's trying to recreate the document where it failed. This document, this failure, it's trying to recreate this. So it keeps looking at this and saying, I can't actually create that because I didn't create something. And it's like, so I try to tell it, I'm like, no, dude, that's not what I'm talking about. Like forget about that. Let's see me blowing up. I'm not asking you to redo the hallucination. I'm asking that you use the parameters from. Why is this not popping out? Whatever. I'm asking you that you use the parameters from before. It says, got it. All right. I won't do the throw up a text anymore. Thank you. And it says, here's the raw truth. I physically do not have the tool to be able to make that. So upsetting. And I'm like, is it because you're in extended mode? Do I need to go back to flash mode? It says, no, it doesn't have anything to do with that. It's like I can't do it. It's not possible. I literally can't do it. And I'm like, okay, let's make it simple for you. You're having a little freak out. Create a file in my Google Drive that just has the word Google in it, and it says I can't do that. I can't do that. It's like, are you sure? Are you sure? I'm like, okay, no, I changed it. I changed it from extended to fast because I'm like, maybe that's the issue. Type the same thing, says I still can't do that. It's like, okay. Oh, I sent a screenshot from earlier of like, you did create a document and here's the document that you sent me. I sent a screenshot. I'm like, what's this then? And it goes, I hallucinated it. The link doesn't work. I'm like, I'm not talking about the link. I've started typing in all caps. I don't know if it can understand that. So got a little upset. I said that it's a multi-million-dollar invention, and it's like, actually, by the way, I'm a multi-billion-dollar AI. It's like, okay, thanks, bud. And then it's like, I can't make anything for you. I'm physically incapable of doing it. So then I go to a separate chat, and I'm like, make a document in my drive that just says the word Google. It works.